Okay, moving on. Now that we've created our file for 3D printing for the MakerBot replicator, and we sent our little space alien to be 3D printed, it's time now to talk about getting this same file set up for laser cutting to the Universal Laser Systems laser cutter. So the laser cutter likes to look at just the outlines of lines to cut with the laser. So you either have red to cut outlines or it's black to engrave. So this file, we need to get them to a format that the laser cutter can understand. So we're going to export this out of Infusion, and we're going to go to the file, we're going to go to export, and we're going to choose the file type to be a DXF file. All right, and then I'm going to put this on my desktop again so I know where to find it. So I'm going to click on export. Depending on the complexity of your model, it might take a while to export because it has to export all the vector lines and everything else. So we'll check back in a second when this export is done.